Fifth bit, 27u cube minus 1 by 25 minus 27u square by 5 plus 9u by 25. Okay, so this is the given expression. Now first we will rearrange the terms. Okay, so first let us write in solution 27u cube. Okay, next I want to write 27u square by 5, then plus 9u by 25 minus 1 by 125. So here let us according to the identity we will change it. Okay, so 3 cube is 27, so 3u whole cube, and here we can write 1 by 5 whole cube. Okay, so here next one is 3a square b. So 3a square is 3u, b is 1 by 5. Next plus 3ab square. So 3a b square is 1 by 5 whole square. Okay, so we got this in the form of, let us write the identity, a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube, which is equals to a minus b whole cube. Okay, so this is the identity. So in place of a we got 3u, in place of b we got 1 upon 5 whole cube. Okay, now let us solve the next one, sixth bit. So in the sixth bit they have given 64y cube plus 1 by 125 z cube. Okay, so first we will write the cube. Cube of 4 is nothing but 64, so we can write 4y whole cube plus 1 by 5 z whole cube. Okay, now we got this one in the form of a cube plus b cube, which is equals to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Okay, so in this what is a is 4y, so we can write 4y plus b is 1 by 5 z. A is 4y square minus a is 4y and b is 1 by 5 z plus 1 by 5 z whole square. Okay, so 4y plus 1 by 5 z into 4 square is 16 y square minus 4 ones are 4 by 5 y into z plus 1 square is 1, 5 square is 25. So otherwise you can write z into 1, that will be z by 5 square is 25.